Hello, Buddhists. Welcome to day 8 of our Webflow Daily Challenge. So right now we are going to be working on the responsiveness of our website, of our project section chef website. That is what we are going to be working on today. So right now you see me just dive in. Okay, this is it here. So this is it on desktop, which is quite cool. It's quite cool. So let's check it on tab. So on tab, you can see that we need to add some padding. We need to add some padding to the container. So let me go into our container and add padding of 10 pixels left and right. Okay, let me add 20 pixels left and right. So let me see for myself how it looks like on other pages, because if you remember, we added container to all section. Quite cool. It's quite cool. It's cool. So right now I'll come to this project heading and reduce the margin bottom here. So let's reduce the margin bottom here to 30 pixels, which is quite cool. Let me work on this image. So let me reduce image to 350, which is quite cool. Yep. So I've reduced the image. So let me check here. I want to check the grid here. Let me check the grid here. So let me increase the gap here to 30 pixel. Yep. 30 pixel, quite okay. Reduce the margin bottom here to 30 pixels. Yeah, so this is quite cool and okay. So even the image here is responsive. That is okay. So now let's work on this. This is actually taking a full width. So let me come here and expert and come to link block. So in link block, I think set it to flex. Yeah. Which is quite cool. It's quite cool. Yep. So to ensure that this takes a full width, I'm going to come to the div and set it to grow. I think it's not growing. So what I have to do here is to reduce the font size here. So I think I'm going to reduce the font size, which everything has a class. So I'm going to reduce the font size here to 16. I'm going to reduce it to 14. I think that didn't work. So let me go to the div block again and ensure that it fills the container. Okay, grow. So let me reduce the image here. First, let me reduce the image to 200. I think this is quite okay. To 200. So come back here and reduce the padding and margin 10. Yeah, 10, which is quite cool. 10 and bottom 10. This is quite cool. Cool. So let me see if I can increase this to 16. Okay, so I think 14 is okay, or 16. So let me increase it to 16 and go and increase the bottom, the margin bottom, to the padding to 30. I want to see. No. Ctrl Z. It's cool like this. Yep, cool. Yeah, 12. Yeah. So bash party making sense now. You can see that. Yeah. So now let's check on this. Okay. So we'll come here. I think I have to reduce this image here. So let's reduce this to 200. Okay. 300, which is quite cool. 300 is okay. From 350 to 300. Then here, let's break one column. Yeah, which is quite okay. So since we've broken one column, done. So it's cool. This is cool. Yeah. I will work on these two and ensure that it's making sense. Okay. Think we okay. Okay, good. Let me come to collection list. Yep. So edit this and delete this. Delete this. Yep. It's quite okay now. Done. Yep. So this is making sense. I think I need to work on the image. Height of 300, which is making sense. So let me see this image here. So 270. So let's make it 200. Yep. It's making sense, so you can see that. So let's check on smaller device. Yeah. So let's work on this image. Let's make it 100. Yep. Looking cool, looking nice. Let's change this. This height is high. Let's make it 200. Yep. So we are done with the responsiveness, which is quite making sense now. So you can see it, everything is responsive on all device, which is quite good. You can see that everything is responsive, very responsive. You can see that. You can see all images. So make sure you like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up and wait for day 9. So we'll be uploading day 9, teaching more about Webflow. So make sure you share to anyone in need and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.